Alright, what's up, everybody? We're going to talk about some lifelong learning. My lifelong learning is so important to me is because I constantly think that my knowledge is partial on things, just because, first off, I don't know everything. Second off, I won't ever know everything. And third off, things are changing so rapidly that it's just responsible to keep up with what's the current events, and also to be inclusive and respectful to my peers. And if I'm trying to, make a career out of social justice, I gotta really question who I'm amplifying and who needs representation, who's being left out of the conversation. So that's why lifelong learning is so important to me. Three skills I have learned. I hate this photo because you can see the gross bathroom that I used to have. I've learned how to record and mix live sound, including mastering, and I'm really good, as you can see, with like a DAW list setup. I don't really screw around with Ableton or anything like that. I've learned the basics of HTML and CSS coding, and mostly the basics of every program that the Adobe Suite has to offer: InDesign, Photoshop, Audition, um, Illustrator, stuff like that, Premiere. So, three things that I want to learn is I want to learn more about video pre-production. I want to learn more about how to cultivate community around me, and I want to create a compelling portfolio and resume. Give me a job. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday.